it's Amber from Abby and Anna's Boutique. Here to talk about setting up your profile in your awesome new back office. So once you are logged in, which I talked about in my last video, once you're logged into your back office dashboard, you're gonna see this general page here, and you've got all these tabs and options on the left-hand side. Profile is here at the top, and if you click that arrow, it will drop down some more options. Actually, if you click anywhere in there, it'll drop down options. Let's just start at the top, my profile. When you go in here, you're going to see some of your info. So this is your profile. This isn't necessarily the stuff that's going on your public profile. If you look down, the next option is public profile. And that one's very important to fill out because that's what customers are going to see on your site. So this one I filled out first. It's basic stuff, your email address for contact info. That's important to make sure you're getting all the communications from the company you need. That's down here. And these other options you are okay to leave blank for now. And I will give you a heads up if that changes. Right now it's okay to have them blank. So then you can click Save Changes. And we'll go on to the next one, and it kind of tells you save successfully. All right, so we'll go to the next one, public profile. And this one is my favorite to edit because you can kind of make it your own, make it have your own style. So at the top, it asks for your display name. So I put Amber Gensink there, and then my second name, I put Amber Gross in case people are looking for me under my maiden name. And then you can put in your contact information. If you want people to see your street address, you can put that there. If you don't want to give that much information, that's fine. You can leave it blank. I like to put in my city and state, so then customers can find me. There's another portion on the site where someone can look up a style advisor if they don't have one. So you want to say at least your state. I would go a zip code too. Put your number in there if you would like, an email address that people can contact you at. Remember, this is all public info on your Abby Anna webpage, so anybody's going to see this. So put the email that you want potential customers emailing you at. Put as much information as you want them to see on there. Then this one's a fun one. So we've got a space here for your profile image, and it will automatically pull in whatever image you want to have for your public profile image. I happen to pull in a collage I made on, I think it was Pic Collage or Canva, one of those. And so that's why mine looks like a collage, but you don't have to use a collage. It can just be one close-up picture. It does not have to have text. That's just something that I made the picture, the graphic that I wanted, and uploaded that. And to do that, by clicking the select files, it will just bring you to all the files on your computer, and you can choose whichever one you want to show your face. And then down here, the profile message. This is pretty cool. You can write a little message to your followers of your page, to potential customers, and you can even include a link. So I put that they can reach out and see what's new via my Facebook page, and then I highlighted what I wanted to be a link. So I want all of this to be a link, and then I went up to these three dots here, and you can see more options. Super cool. And I can do any of these things. I chose to insert a hyperlink, but I could also remove it, insert an image, or make a table. So you can get really creative here. So here's the insert hyperlink. So that's the text I have, and then I put in where I wanted my link to go. Tooltip is if they hover over it, what they're going to see when the mouse is right over your text, if that makes sense. And I would also say open in a new window. That way, if they click through to whatever Facebook page you're sending them to, they're not losing your shopping page. They can come back and shop easily. All right, get out of there because mine is all set up. You can do other things like make your text bold, italicized, change the size here with the different types of headings. It's very cool. So you can play around with that. And then you would go down here and click Save Changes. And then you've got your profile set up for people to see. Let me show you what that's gonna look like. I'm gonna go to my page and let it pull up here. People are going to see all that info you just put in if they click on this welcome from, and it should say your name. So mine says welcome from Amber Gensink. And if a customer clicks on that, boom, here's all that information I just put in, right? Here's my collage, my city, email. They can find me if they want to ask me questions. If they want me to text, they can. And then here's my message. And you'll notice the link doesn't pop up until they hover over it. And then you see that little, it says Abby Anna's Boutique by Amber. That was my tooltip, that little box. So it's giving them a clue about where they're going to go if they click that link. So this is what you're setting up with your profile. All right, I'll go back into our editing. So the other two things you have over here that you can set up are your payment methods and your shipping addresses. Make sure you do that. Get all the information in there so your orders can get to you quickly and efficiently, and you can be happy when you get your Abby Anna mail. All right, I will be back in my next video to talk about placing orders for yourself. All right, talk to you then. Bye, guys.